I'm at York Station today and I'm going to do another shed bash. This time it's going to be York North, and as probably most people interested who are interested in railways know, that is now the home of the National Railway Museum. So I'm going to make my way there following the old directions from my old local shed book, and that's where we're going to go. Got to find my way out and get to Station Road. It's the first job. Make my way along. Under the famous clock. Beautiful clock that. I'm on my way out now. So I'm out onto Station Road now. Quite busy here today, as you can see. The directions are quite simple really. Down Station Road and turn left into Lehman Road, and that's where I'm heading for now. I think Lehman Road is the next left. To be confirmed. Well, there is a sign there I've just seen for the National Railway Museum. So it must be. I'll soon recognise it because it goes underneath a big long tunnel. Underneath the railway. It also says Lehman Road Industrial Estate, so, and there's the sign for the National Railway Museum. So we've got to be right. Away we go. Looks like there's a lot of roadworks going on here at the moment. I'm looking for the tunnel. Ah, there it is. There's the bridge. Or the tunnel, as I should say. It does say Low Bridge on it. So that's where we're heading, and we go underneath there, and the shed entrance should be on the right hand side. So now I'm heading off under the bridge to the shed. I'd imagine the only thing that's changed here is all the traffic changes and stuff that's being done here. In fact, I think I might just cross over here because the shed is on the right hand side. So if I go through the tunnel on the left there, it may be blocked off at the other end, who knows. So this was the route to 50A, and the shed entrance should be on the right hand side as we get through the tunnel. Hear the train going over us at the moment. So now we're coming out at the other side to the shed. I think I made a good decision there. There's that much traffic diversions going, it might have been more difficult to get where I'm going. your pens and pencils ready. We're almost at the shed. It's a nice building and all. I bet that's railway related as well. I bunked this shed many times, and it's the only time I've ever been stopped by a policeman. Policeman asked me my name and address. Of course I gave it to him. Whether it was right or not, I don't know. So this is the new building that the Railway Museum's housed in. One of the original turntables is still in use for display purposes. I'm not sure, I can't remember exactly where we would have gone in, as this is all new now. This is all brand new. So I don't remember back to when I was 11-year-old. But this is the current new entrance, and that's the one that we've got to go off. So this is going to be another one off the list. York North, we can consider well and truly bunked now. I'm going to finish it here because I don't want to make it too long, and I'm a little bit stuck for time. So we'll do a tour of the Railway Museum another day. So it's goodbye from me, and thanks for watching again. Bye for now.